Shushrusha Hospital, Mumbai. He is retired Honorable Professor of Psychiatry, Lokmanya Tilak Medical College and Hospital Science, Mumbai, and has been in private practice for last 45 years. He'll be talking about an interesting and new topic, selling psychiatry, and we all can't wait to hear more about it.
Let us join Sir in this virtual journey. We invite Dr. O.P. Sir to introduce our speaker, Mundra Sir.
Respected seniors and colleagues, I'm glad that today my both teachers, Dr. Joel and Dr. Mundra, are here, and Mundra sir is joining online. He was my teacher, my mentor, and we learned psychiatry about all the psychiatry, practical tips of psychiatry. I always felt that he's a true psychiatrist. And once I joined in Medical College, Jabalpur, I met Joel sir. And I always feel that both are having so much resemblance when they talk about psychiatry. All the practical tips they have taught us, and that is why the both speakers are here. And we will like to hear B.K. Mundra sir, and I wish my PG students they gather the information related to psychiatry. What we have learned from our bosses, they should also be able to learn. Thank you. We welcome Mundra sir.
Can you hear me? Hello.
For this session, I would like, I request Dr. P.K. Joel as a chairperson and Navneet Saxena sir as a co-chairperson. Please start, sir. Mundra sir.
Thank you. Can you hear me?
You are not audible, sir. We are just seeing into it.
I have unmuted. Can you hear me now? Hello. Are you able to hear me? Yes, can you hear me now? Yeah. Good afternoon, almost afternoon. Mr. Chairperson, sir, and all the staff of NSCB Medical College. I am here because OP insisted, Professor Raichandani insisted. I am 71 and I have stopped talking. I listen. But OP has been one of my favorite students, and his insistence for some time, he has been insisting to give some talk somewhere. And that's why I'm here. I will not talk science. People know science much more than I do. At my age, I listen to science. So what I would talk on is what has been my life aim generally. What is that life aim? The whole purpose was to get patients. And that getting the patients, the main issue has been how to sell psychiatry. How to sell psychiatry to professionals, to our colleagues, and very much so to our patients. My experience has been that we psychiatrists are able to give very good results in such a large range of people. Because luckily for us, the human brain is very, very vulnerable, is very, very imperfect. If the human brain had been not so imperfect, we would have very little work. Who knows, in evolution, gradually as the brain progresses, our specialty will slowly die down. But till then, let's enjoy this imperfection. Our friends in other branches will perhaps find something familiar in what I talk, and maybe perhaps spread the word. The psychiatrists are able to help us have less discomfort with the patients who bother us all the time. For example, I have often felt that people rush to cardiology and the cardiologists keep wanting to push them away after having done the 2D echo and the cardiogram. And then they don't want them anymore because this is not my dhanda. And the patient doesn't know where to go, what to do. Often the patient gets referred to a psychiatrist because naturally the cardiologist feels कि ये सब tension के कारण है. And the patient feels very upset. The relatives feel very upset. And the psychiatrist is there watching a reluctant person sitting in front of him. I remember my very senior, Dr. Ramurthy, was one of the biggest consultants in Mumbai. He's now passed away. And patients who would come from him, because he was very well oriented in psychiatry, would come from him and tell me only one thing. मैं आया हूं because Dr. Ramurthy ने बोला आने को, क्योंकि मेरे को वो डॉक्टर वापस चाहिए. आप अपना रिपोर्ट लिख के देख दो, क्योंकि मैं उनके पास वापस जा सकूं. So they came only sort of to satisfy Dr. Ramurthy कि बका आपका बात सुना पर डॉक्टर आप ही हो, आपका इलाज चाहिए. My dhanda then became how to sell my business to these patients. One big sad part about psychiatry has been that when we see patients in so many branches who get referred to us, we have not been able to communicate all that we can do because they end up seeing only a prescription. And sadly, our prescriptions are things that can be replicated. And today in the shortcut dunya, escitalopram plus clonazepam combination, ye goli plus, wo goli plus. Damn it, everybody can write that tablet. If all of psychiatry has to be handled by escitalopram plus, why do we need psychiatrists? Which is what most of them feel. कि ये लोग के पास patient भेजा तो क्या है? ये plus लिख के वापस भेज देंगे, वो तो हम भी कर सकते हैं. पेशेंट को नींद आ जाता है, शांत हो जाता है, रिलैक्स हो जाता है, चलो छूट गए. पेशेंट सोएगा तो डॉक्टर को भी नींद आएगी. One of the first thing I tell all my students in this business of conveying psychiatry, selling psychiatry to our colleagues is, for God's sake, write long histories. So at the reverse of my consulting paper or in the history sheet in the hospital, the same file goes to various consultants. In those files, I fill up 4 or 5 pages with every detail, which otherwise would be written by a junior resident doctor. But मैं मेरे खुद के handwriting से सब कुछ. The husband is unfortunately somebody who talks too much, and the wife feels very upset that her elder son did not go to. सब कुछ in great detail. The message that I want to convey to the consultant is कि मैं उसके साथ बात किया, मैंने उसकी बात सुनी. Patient express some things to me, and often they are surprised. Oh, I never asked this patient. ये तो साला इतना साल से दारू पीता है, हमको बताया ही नहीं. And often they do get surprised. Often they do get shocked at all the details that they discover. And they ask me, "Acha, ye sachi, yeah, he really does that? And I didn't know. I mean, gambling. अभी किसी ने बताया नहीं मेरे को कि इसका gambling है." Most of them are happily surprised that, "Acha, ऐसा खबर पड़ती है." Now, all of us, when we take histories, we pick up everything. There is nothing special about my history taking. It's just that I write it down. It's there, it's recorded, it can be referred by any consultant who after 2 years, a rheumatologist sees the same patient and he goes background, and everybody enjoys reading a little story beyond the fact of blood pressure this much and temperature this much and PCR was this much. So this business of being able to sell this product by interesting stories, all written in great detail, we can easily write patient as hallucinations. But uske badle mein, if we write, the patient says that the neighbor is talking and saying this remark about him whenever he goes near his wife. That is amusing, interesting, and stimulating. The message is, I talk. The message I want to, of course, all of us talk. But to sell the product, I have to tell them, listen, I talk to your patients. And therefore, when you send your patient, maybe the prescription is exactly what you would have written. But I have talked to this person, which most of them don't have much time for. And we can expect that, we can understand that. Being able to sell the product has helped in so many branches coming forward. Even if it is to get rid of the patient because it's too much of a headache. Now, all gastroenterologists, full of, मेरे पेटवा का गैस हुआ, खोपड़िया में चढ़ते हैं, ऐसा लगता है खोपड़िया फट जाए. अभी ऊपर से पाइप डाल के देख लेते, नीचे से पाइप डाल के देख लेते, then they want to जाओ बाबा. And they do refer. And when they find that such patients can be helped by these people, they don't just give medicines. And this petwa ka gaswa can be recovered, and it doesn't require only give some antacids and give some proton pump blockers. People, our colleagues, feel happy. Abhi, things like simple things like headache, neck pain, back. Abhi patient aate hain to the orthopedic surgeon, spine ka nikala, cervical spine dekha, and then ठीक है, थोड़ा ये दबा है, थोड़ा ये दबा है. They know very well ये दबा वाबा से कुछ नहीं होने वाला. They are very clear कि इसका सर्जरी नहीं करने. But अभी इसको करने का क्या? Patients love it कि मेरे MRI में ऐसा ऐसा हड्डी में थोड़ा दबाव है. So much joy कि finally कुछ है. But does it help? Can it be treated? No. They get referred. And orthopedic surgeons are today very happy that there are people who are ready to take these people with their neck pain, back pain, chalu hi rehta hai. They do prescribe now because nowadays drug companies understood it is psychiatric medicines which helps these people in pain. So GABA with an antidepressant, A with an antidepressant, B with. Today more antidepressants are prescribed by rheumatologists and orthopedic surgeons than by psychiatrists because they work, they help people get better. We have so much on our side because we can actually help people. I sit in the neurology wing in Hinduja Hospital and I tell all my patients, ये सब रूम इधर जो है ना डेंजर रूम है, वो सामने वाले जो बैठते हैं ना ब्रेन ट्यूमर निकालो, ये बाजू वाले बैठते हैं खून का पाइप बंद हो गया, लकवा हो गया, ये बाजू वाले बैठते हैं कि ये इस तरह से आखिरी जन्म भर आ रही है, ये रूम सेफ है, इधर ठीक होके जाते हैं. This whole purpose कि मेरा ब्रांच में फायदा होता है, we are able to help people, people recover and people end up being happy even if they have diseases which cannot be cured. So we have now oncology referring so many patients to us. And for most people will be, anybody, it's a cancer hai, isko kaise theek hoega? When we explain, Mahim station near